What's going on, Select Rider Race? If you haven't already, go down below, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you grab that little bell so you can see anytime I post some new content. We're on a Ninja 400 today, and I got it switched to MotoGP shift. Definitely different. I can see why other people like it. I think I like it better already, personally. And I've only been riding for about barely 10 minutes here. I keep finding myself messing it up a bit here, but it's really pretty basic. A flip concept, it feels like you can do it a hell of a lot faster than up. I mean, I'm curious. Quick shift combo, how that'll feel, you know, no clutch and being able to boom 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 kick down, especially on a faster bike. I'm definitely curious, as opposed to pulling up and then fighting the wheelie. You know, you're pushing down and keeping your weight on things more. I definitely like it though. I think there's probably more riders that should start with MotoGP shift, but it sounds a lot more complicated than it is. I'll be honest, I'm loving it. And I'm also loving the fact that this little Ninja 400 has it as an option. I mean, that's super cool, especially for a beginner, I would think. I mean, I'm tickled by it, and I'm not a beginner. But if a beginner figures this out and realizes that's what they like, then I mean that's awesome, because I'm enjoying it thoroughly. This is my first time using the MotoGP shift on this bike. I got 3,688 miles on this 2019 Ninja 400, and this is my first time using the MotoGP shift. Brand new tires coming in for this bike, thank God. I'll get some video in a minute. These tires on this bike are spanked. But as far as like upshifting and downshifting goes in traffic, I really like the MotoGP shift. Nothing wrong with the regular shift, and I'm not going to say I like the MotoGP shift better quite yet. However, we are going to do some testing today. I'm going to get my good friends on this motorcycle. I don't know if I'm going to tell them it's in MotoGP shift. I believe neither of them have ever ridden a motorcycle while it's in MotoGP shift. And what MotoGP shift is I'm pushing down to shift up and pulling up to shift down. Like I want to go into fifth clutch, and I'm pulling up on my foot there. Pushing down to get back into sixth. I'm really enjoying it. I can't wait to get these new Rosso 3 tires on this motorcycle. I mean, these ones on this bike now are absolutely spanked. I potentially shouldn't even be out riding on these tires. I will even admit it. A very cool feature for such a cheap and functional bike to have. Definitely very smooth. But until I get to these gentlemen here, I'm going to pull up and keep riding and jamming to my music.